In this training video, we're going to take a look at the Users and Groups section within the FMS. Over here on the left-hand side, you see that you have the option for Users and Groups, and if you click on that, it breaks it down into two different sections. First, we're going to look at Users here. Users is basically anybody that's within the FMS system here. You can go in here and click on Create a New User. If you are a SchoolPoint customer, you will want to import your users in from the CMS. And what you'll do is, as long as you have the proper permissions, you'll click on FMS over here on the left-hand side, and you will walk through this utility, and it will import your users from people that have been added in the staff area within the CMS, and it will import them into the FMS system. That's how you add them if you're a CMS customer. If you're just an FMS customer, you can go in here, add new users this way by hand, or you can go in here and import users and use this template and upload them that way. Back to the users area here, you can go in here and edit individual information for this user. You can go in here and reassign them to groups that you have set up here, and you can also go in here and reassign them into certain buildings. That's the users area. Now if we go over here and look at user groups, you see that I already have some groups in here already. Yours could too, your FMS could as well. But if you want to go in here and add additional groups, you can do that by clicking on Create New right here. And then you see here that to create a group, you can go in here. Maybe we want to create a technician group. And then this gives you the option to assign this group to all users, which I do not suggest you do unless you use it with caution, because obviously it will assign any permission under this group to all the users. Or you can go in here and assign it to all private users or public users. Private users is anybody that you have imported or added into the FMS system. Public users are people that have registered from the public side. Once we click on Create for this particular group, you see that it has added it for us, and then we can go in here and click on Permissions and go in here and set each access level for this. For tickets area, you can go in here and add tickets, and you can give them as much access as you want to. The same thing works for resources. You can give them access to the entire super type if you wish to, or you can remove it and just give them to particular categories under resources there. And you can also give them various permissions on here as well. You can basically give anybody as much access as you want to, or as little access as you want to. And then if we go back to our groups area here, if you click on the users and groups, basically it's going to pull up what users are in that particular group. And you see there it shows that particular user. That is the users and groups area within the FMS. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help.